How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can connect your Razer Wolverine V3 to your Xbox. So first things first, we have to set up your controller to be ready to be paired with Xbox. In order to do that, just simply connect your Xbox controller, or I mean your Razer controller, to your computer. And then you want to head over to the Microsoft Store. So just search for Store right here, and then we're good to go. Simply search for Razer controller, and then you want to download and get the application from Razer called the Razer controller setup for Xbox. So just click on the get button, wait for the application to finish downloading, and right after you can just open it up. Now from here, it's going to be extremely simple. Just connect a Razer controller and it will automatically be ready to be paired with Xbox. So that's how you do it. It's extremely simple. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.